Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you would like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who got accused of theft of documents from someone who already died. Let's see here. My cousin died many years ago. My aunt gave me his documents to use, his social and whatnot, since we have a very similar name. Now his grown son has accused me of using his father's social. Yeah, just because your aunt is the mother of your cousin, that does not give her the right to give you her son's social to use. That social security number is not your cousin's property, nor is it your aunt's property. It is a number that is assigned to you by the United States government. It is not your property, it's simply assigned to you. I know people say my social, it's not really yours. Now, here's the other thing. If you do in fact use somebody else's social security number for work or getting loans or whatever, and this is discovered by the authorities, you could be charged with a violation of Penal Code Section 530.5, which is a form of fraud when you're using a fake social or somebody else's ID or somebody else's credit card. It's all under the same umbrella. That's a felony that carries up to 3 years state prison here in the state of California. Now, I'm assuming that based on the fact that you're using a fake social, I'd have to believe that you are not a U.S. citizen. So obviously, being that, you also need to be warned, if you're doing this and you're not a U.S. citizen, that this is the type of offense, because it is considered a crime of moral turpitude. It's the type of offense that would result in deportation, exclusion from the United States, and denial of naturalization. Now, obviously, if this is not true, if this is something that you never did and you're being falsely accused, that's another story. But if there's evidence indicating that you did commit this offense, and you've been working under this social, you've been getting loans under this social. I've known many people who have had houses, cars, all kinds of stuff with fake socials. Socials of people who are underage that had no idea that somebody else was using their social. And that's a very serious offense, especially when it comes to restitution, because the owner of the social, if he's alive, their credit will be damaged, sometimes beyond repair, and it's really, really difficult to be able to compensate a victim in those situations, and restitution could be tremendously high. You have to be very careful using somebody else's social. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who got accused of touching girls in their home. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.